CryptoSLO, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSLO here with more crypto gains. Today we are going to see how to sync the VertCoin core wallet quickly. As you can see, I downloaded the VertCoin core wallet, which is similar to all the other Qt wallets. I launched the installation folder, this is Windows, and I installed it in the default app roaming directory on the C drive. So when I fire the wallet up, you can see it is 4 years and 3 weeks behind. That is just not going to cut the cheese. So the second step after you've downloaded the wallet and fired it up is to close the wallet. Then use the crypto chainer and get the latest VertCoin blockchain. So I downloaded it and it's a zip file. Okay, so then we're going to go over, we're going to hit the Windows key, we're going to type %appdata %enter, and as you can see, it's created a folder called VertCoin. So I'm going to double click that. I'm going to select all the files. This assumes you have no coins in the wallet. You don't want to delete the coins you have. And delete all of the files. From that point, I'm then going to take the VertCoin blockchain download and I'm going to extract it. And I'm going to browse to that app data folder. Oops, actually, see users. And app data, roaming, VertCoin. So I'm going to select the app data VertCoin folder and I'm going to extract the blockchain there. This saves you so much time. So in essence, what we're doing is we're replacing the empty blockchain that came default with the wallet with the populated blockchain. And voila, it is done. I then am ready. I restart the VertCoin wallet. And as you can see, it starts creating new files. All right, so as you can see, it ground around for about 2 or 3 minutes, and it went from being 4 years behind to 1 year and 43 weeks behind, which is decent. But also keep in mind, you probably get the updated nodes and stuff, so it's going to sync a lot faster. So we're going to let this go for a little bit and we'll get this wallet synced up. So we cut 3 years of download off of the sync. So we are about 66 to 70% done already. So let's let this go and we'll be right back. CryptoSLO back, and I let this run for about an hour or so, and we are now fully synced and ready to start mining. So stay tuned for the next video where we will be mining VertCoin.